claim that you get on? Is it pottery? What kind of class do you play, girl? In an RPG? Cause I know what them elf girls need. From WoW to ME, I'm going 30 hours online straight now. You make it hard to leave. Into middle life, do you speak my language? Your elf ears don't need explaining. All I really need for you to do is just please talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Get nerdy with me. You name all 12 of the dogs, I can't resist that. And what's the core in your walls? I think that ours match. Cause I know with me you get sore. Turn strength to Hogwarts. I'm pretty sure I'm you cast a curse, girl. The imperious one. Been to Comic-Con, hope you speak my language. Your Harley Quinn don't need explaining. All I really need for you to do is just please talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Medical lady 3 bucks. She wanted all my XP. On 64 makes you want me. One ring, up, down, down, forward, back, AB. You don't need a cheat code girl to get with me. Just add my clan tag, bring a high KD. Cause the headshots we'll be making, we'll be tapping the teeth. We'll Magic the Gathering, deck on deck. Just like Twilight, yeah, I ain't touching your neck. I got nerd friends, but the friends with respect. I can qualify a man without breaking a sweat. And I wanna hear issues, yeah, and talk about your comments. Cause the fact of the matter ain't no go better than a girl that talks on electronics. For us to get along, just tell me who can start it wrong. Cause clearly in Star Wars, first shot was made by Han. Love the Enterprise, how I speak the language. What tribe don't need explaining. All I really need for you to do is just please talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me.
I did so.
Talk nerdy to me.
Now this one is dedicated to the people all over. Remember the words of your
I hate it when you're and preaching. Thousand last I can wish your theories catch fire.